Hi and welcome to Seasparkles Corner. This is a viewer request to do a Michael Jackson cake. Now I thought about him. You all know I enjoyed his music and all that. So I've done other Michael Jackson cakes. So I looked at him and I decided to do some research on when he started wearing one white glove on his left hand. And it was during the concert of Billie Jean. So I decided I'm going to do a white glove, and he wore a black and silver uniform, black and silver outfit. So with it I got some silver sparkles, black cake icing, and white cake icing, and brand new cooking gloves, disposables, to place one of these to market. Okay, now I made a double layer chocolate cake and I frosted it with chocolate buttercream sauce. So this is essentially the glove. So to find out where the fingers would go, I decided to use this. This is a one size fits all. And so we're going to start by opening up the chocolate. I wanted you to see that I got everything fresh for this. And I had it, when I get a viewer request for something that requires creativity, I have to do some thinking on it for a few days. And I'm trying to still open this. Alright, here we go. Exactly what I was going to do. All the other Michael Jackson viewer requests I did. I always seem to come up with something. Okay. So I'm going to do this. So we're going to start with the black. I'm screwing it on and so I'm basically doing black on the side with it. I'm trying to create some decorations here. Get the finger out of the way. Okay, so I got the black, which is called black, but it's just essentially dark chocolate. Okay, so now we've got the black on signifies outfit. Now we're going to do the sprinkles, the silver sprinkles. Get this open. Do you need to go out, Ron? There you go. All right. Okay. So now, because he wore black and silver, so now we're gonna kind of put the silver on the cake, the decorations. Tastes like chocolate. Okay. Okay, so we've got some silver on there. Now we're going to remove the glove. And we're going to toss it out. Now we're going to open up the white. They really seal them to make them hard to open. At least you know they're not tamper-proof. Tamper-proof. Okay. I picked this because it was almost like it was his, once he wore the one white glove, it was like it was his signature. So we're going to make the fingers. All right, now we're going to carefully take, either use a knife or a spoon and just spread it out a little bit. There we go. And we use the glove to mark it, remember? So, just flattening out this a bit. All right. And he had little sparkles on it, so we'll put a little bit of silver on it. And we'll fill in some more. Because we're just filling in the spots where we had a glove, so we essentially got his one white glove cake that he aired with Billie Jean. See? There, and there. And there it is. One white glove. Well, I hope you like it. And there it is. His one white glove that he wore when he premiered it with doing Billie Jean. So I hope you like it. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. And as always, the fun never ends in seasparkles Corner. Hug and kisses to you from my family to yours. We love you. You mean everything to us. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. What do you think?